Wow, cookies! Hope this turns out better than the last time someone left baked goods on my doorstep. The chili dog. Everyone loves chili dogs.
I don't think he can eat solid food.
Well, then put it in the blender.
Well, if you say so.
The chili dog, not the baby!
Oh, okay, that makes more sense.
I'll fight it in court, but I don't think they're gonna accept gotta go fast as a medical condition.
Hey, this wall tastes like dirt.
What a robust mustache you have, Colonel Grumpkin.
Why, thank you, Madam Stinkbottom.
Nice to meet you. She seems nice.